everybody and welcome back to another video in our theme park series.
Yep.
Where are we today?
We're in Islands of Adventure at Universal Studios, Florida.
Woohoo! Woo! Let's check it out.
Well, apparently there's a shortcut this way. So if you wanted to get to Hogwarts or anywhere like that, Hogsmeade, come towards Green Eggs and Ham, and then take a left. And then it's closer and you cut out all of Seussland.
Where we come for lunch?
We've just popped to Mythos, best rated restaurant in all of the theme parks.
So connoisseur in the world.
That's what it advertises. We'll let you know if it's true.
It's very nice in here though.
Yeah.
Cube montage.
Chippy in Bliss Hill is really good. Lots of salt vinegar, and you get it in a nice bag. So just be careful that grease doesn't come out the bottom of the bag.
Grease.
So we're just about to go through Marvel World.
It's really colourful. It's really fun.
It's got the Hulk, Spider-Man,
And Dr. Doom.
Dr. Doom's fearful thingy. It's a very good ride. Now, cue the montage.
Is one of Universal's newest rides, and it's a big roller coaster. It's the Velocicoaster.
So we've just been on Velocicoaster.
It was so much better than the other day. The other day it was really like threw you around a bit, but today it was smooth.
Really smooth. We really enjoyed it.
Loved it. We might go on it again later.
Do you want to get it done again, or do you want to do something else?
We'll do something else first.
Yeah, we're doing something else.
We mentioned in the last video that they have Diagon Alley in Universal Studios, but then here in Islands of Adventure they have Hogsmeade and Hogwarts, which is just amazing. I love it here.
It's always rammed though. So.
Yeah, it's pretty busy.
Yeah.
So cue Harry Potter montage.
Just in Honeydukes, there is a lot of chocolate frogs, a lot of birdie bots, beans. What else is there? Chocolate ones?
Popping bonbons.
Bonbons, yeah. And other things as well.
Loads of chocolate apples that look amazing, and in our next video, which is a super exciting video, we'll definitely be trying them.
Very expensive though, I have to admit.
It's going to be a really expensive video as well.
Yeah. So please everyone subscribe, you know, otherwise we can't do these. Just done Hogwarts. Very fun. Best simulator here.
It's really good.
It's very, very good. The queue is incredibly good as well.
And then over here we've got my mum recovering from Hagrid's. She didn't feel well, so she didn't come on the Hogwarts ride.
It just confirmed I hate roller coasters.
But now you can see I've been on a roller coaster. One of the biggest.
I'm pleased I did it.
You're pleased you did it. Nice, he's converted.
I'm not
Are you going on the Rim Ride rocket?
Not a chance.
The Hulk?
No, I can see them up in the air.
World, and we're gonna head on my least favorite rides, the water rides. So first up is the Jurassic River journey, and it's a big log flume, and I'm terrified of log flumes and things.
Look behind you, Meg. The dinosaur.
Jurassic Park. It was terrifying. I think the pictures are actually going to be a bit funnier.
Yeah.
I can go on any ride. I just don't like flumes. They terrify me.
This is the ride that we're doing next. Dudley Do Rides. Waterfall thingy.
Nice.
That's definitely not its name. What did we just go on?
We just went on the rapids, and you can't really tell.
I think you can tell.
But we got very drenched. See if you can see me bring out my shorts.
Yeah.
We got very wet.
A bouncing one. A drop.
And then we'll go on Hulk. What did you think of the Hulk?
That was incredible.
Incredible.
Sorry, why are we doing the accents? No, it was incredible. He's gonna get very good.
It was great. We went on it twice because it was basically a walk-on. We loved it. We're now Hulk people. That's what it does. And now we're heading back to the hotel.
To the city walk?
To the city walk.
To get the bus to go back to Cabana Bay.
Yeah. It's massive here. We're trying to find Rhys some new sunglasses because they're broken. He's been wearing them for days, but they've only got one thing. So in our next few vlogs, see if you can spot that out. Anyway, so yeah, now we're trying to find Rhys some sunglasses, but they're very expensive. Mission: find Rhys sunglasses. At the minute, everything we're finding is like $150 to $200. So mission is not going too well, but mission: find the fanciest shops on the planet is going very well. We've seen Christian Louboutin, we've seen Louis Vuitton, we've seen Hermes, we've got Bulgaria, Saint Laurent.
Yeah.
You know, they're all here. We're hoping that there's a cheaper side to this mall. We found the food court. We need to find out if they do
Where's
any
Connor?
free samples.
Where's Connor?
Connor's probably here. Any free samples?
Nope. Nope.
There were no free samples. We think they've stopped with COVID because there used to be loads. Comment down below if you know the answer, because then we'll stop looking. We had to remove Rhys from Bath & Body Works because he smelled a candle in there and just said really loudly, "I'd throw up if I had this in my room." And I was like, maybe we should leave. So, oh, look at all them cute clothes. Cute baby clothes coming up.
Kid with no legs.
Where's the kid with no legs? Oh, Gap. Show us your new specs from Billabong.
Billabong.
Nice.
I've got a lot.
I've got one.
How is that? There's not much difference, is there?
So I think he's got about 20.
Smile.
He is smiling. He's happy.
I've just pushed the cream off.
Oh no.
It's very creamy.
Do it.